Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only way to prepare a delicious chicken Cobb salad. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for assembly. This includes about 8 ounces of perfectly cooked chicken, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and 4 slices of crispy bacon. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable, leading to a truly satisfying meal. Now, let's begin layering our beautiful Cobb salad. Start with a generous bed of fresh mixed greens, like crisp romaine and iceberg lettuce, spread evenly across your serving bowl. Then, artfully arrange your prepped ingredients in distinct rows. Place your diced chicken, crumbled bacon, and sliced hard-boiled eggs side by side. Next, add about 1 cup of vibrant diced tomatoes and 1 cup of creamy sliced avocado, creating a visually appealing and delicious base. To elevate our Cobb salad, it's time for the cheese and dressing. Generously sprinkle about 1/2 cup of crumbled blue cheese over the top of your beautifully layered ingredients. The pungent flavor of blue cheese is a hallmark of a true Cobb. For the dressing, you can opt for a tangy red wine vinaigrette or a rich, creamy ranch. Drizzle approximately 1/4 cup of your preferred dressing evenly over the entire salad, ensuring every bite is flavorful. Finally, let's add those finishing touches before serving. A sprinkle of fresh chives or finely chopped parsley not only adds a pop of color, but also a subtle, fresh flavor that complements the richness of the salad. Serve your magnificent chicken Cobb salad immediately to ensure the greens are crisp and all the ingredients are at their peak. This perfectly balanced meal, rich in protein and fresh vegetables, is ready for you to enjoy. It's truly the only way to experience this classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.